Live. Hola. Mm-hmm. Bold. All right. Mm-mm. Let's see. Boom. A boom. All right. How are you? How is everybody? Boom. Boom. Shaka laka. Boom. Shaka laka. Hello, Lais Benzo. How are you, mate? All right. Huh. Okay, my man. Mm-mm. Okay, so why don't we start? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please type. Yeah, I think you can hear me. If you can hear me, type yes on the chat. Before we go further, just subscribe to the fucking channel, please. Means a lot to us. Makes me happy. Makes the channel happy. Makes fucking YouTube happy. Makes everybody happy. So subscribe to the channel right now. That's all I ask for these free streams. Yep, bro. These are you. So let's have a look at what we have today. The US dollar. So I'm looking at the Nasdaq, right? I am. Yeah. Crypto investing. That sounds like an oxymoron, right? Cool. So I'm looking at the Nasdaq, guys. I am looking at the fucking Nasdaq. Yesterday the interest rate. I mean, the Federal Reserve. Awesome, Eddie. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel. That's the only thing I ask for these free streams. Yeah, right. So, we have 50 minutes until the market opens. I have a couple of things that I want to trade, mainly the Nasdaq, right? So let's have a look at what is going on. So let me just delete all of these lines. These lines have absolutely nothing to do here. Remove drawings, remove drawing. So yesterday, the Federal Reserve increased rate hikes by 75 basis points. I don't know about the GBP Why don't you tell me what you're looking at? I'm not gonna do the GBP Sorry about that, man. Um, so if you don't want, I mean, if you want, whatever, I'm not gonna do that. So yesterday they hiked rates for 75 basis points. That's the biggest rate hike in 28 years. That was amazing, right? So basically, um, let's have a look at the very low time frames, right on that. All equities, all U.S. equities behave the fucking same, right? Super volatile afternoon in in New York, right? But now everything is back to normal. Everything is pointing to the downside. So I am looking to trade those Nasdaq shorts. The reason that I'm looking to trade the Nasdaq shorts is because of this, right? These are yesterday's lows, and these are Tuesday's lows, right? So there is this big level here on the Nasdaq that is yet to be broken, right? Now, if we look at the Dow, for example, the Dow already broke with that level, and the S&P 500 already broke with that level. So the Nasdaq right now is holding that level, and a breakout at the open would bring um, yeah, would bring selling pressure, right? So what I'm going to do, and I love the risk to reward ratio too. I'm going to start by putting on a sell stop. I'm sorry, here on the Nasdaq, pretty much at below Tuesday's lows, right? With a stop losses above the previous high, right? I don't have targets yet, but I'm gonna start. This is TradingView, mate. This is free. I mean, I pay for it, but you have a free version. So I'm just doing the calculations on this account that tracks all our VIP trades. This is the account that tracks all our VIP trades. This one right here. I place all of our VIP trades on that account. You can see that that is a beautiful equity curve. If you want this kind of results in your account, well, there's a link below this video so you can subscribe. And if you use the code YouTube, that's a secret code. You get 10% off. So let me just calculate on my chart my position size on the Nasdaq. The freaking Nasdaq. So let me see. Um, 5 minutes should be here. All right. So on my MT4, I'm getting in at the 11,190, 11,192 level with stop losses at the 11 for 11,390. Shit, I don't remember them. Let's just do 11 390 and 1191. I'll just move my just hold on a minute. I need to calculate calculating position size is the most important thing when it comes to trading, guys. All right. So allow me to just fucking do that. 11 1 2, I think. Right. So yeah, that seems about right. A little higher. Uh, here. Yep. So I have a zero point 0.2 size on this account. 1%. I'm risking 1% on sell stop. So I'm putting on a sell stop at the 11,192, right, with stop losses at the 11,400. And targets. Let's talk about targets. Let's talk about targets. Shite. So I'm looking at targets, right? Targets here. Oh, yes. And on the forward chart, you can see that we are trading right below May 22nd lows. That is another key for successful shorts. We might have to go a little bit to here. These lows look like a nice place to look for a target. So taking profits at the 10,800 level. Let's see how that yields on a risk to reward basis, right? 10,800. Profit 10. Uh-huh. 10,800. Boom. Yeah, that's a very cool 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Boom. 10,800. So I'm going to send this straight to my VIP team. If you're not subscribed to the VIP channel and you want these results, or the VIP group, whatever, you know what to do. New VIP trade. Those signals are pretty cool. I mean, you can't escape a track record, right? Nasdaq. You cannot escape a track record. Uh-huh. All right, so let's set the correct control copy. Oh, shite. Hold on a second. Turning off my camera because I am about to sneeze. Oh, I'm back. All right. Uh, Stop loss at what? All right, be patient, guys. I need to take care of my VIP group first, right? Of course, you know that. Two-part trade. Uh, mm. Okay, trade sent, place, trade placed on my side. Now we are going to wait and see what happens. You have any questions, guys, about about this trade in particular, maybe, or some other markets? Now it's the time to yeah, tell me what's up. Good morning, James. How are you? Right, so let's talk about the US dollar. Hmm. Right now, let's talk about the US. It's kind of hot here. I'm gonna put on the AC. Um, yeah, I mean, let's just wait and see. I mean, the market opens in about 7 minutes. We have absolutely nothing going on the calendar side. Um, Uh, mm, um, nothing, nothing. Natural gas storage. I mean, we have the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index already. Yeah, we have unemployment claims already out. Of course, that is good actually. Unemployment claims. No, that is bad. Unemployment claims. Rose to 229K. And I saw that about 4 million Americans have quit their jobs. Yesterday I was reading about that. And also, uh, wholesales month over month, everything looks red on the US dollar side, well, on the US side, but mostly on employment claims. This is absolutely very short the U.S. equity. So let's see what happens. Right at the open, we have about 6 minutes until the casino opens. And yeah, let's have a look at the U.S. dollar. So today's VIP trade was a cool Japanese yen long, right? I don't know if you watched the video, guys. I'm not gonna repeat myself. But yeah, we took profits right at the top of that move right here. Now the yen is plummeting. So the DXY, the US dollar currency index. So basically, what I was looking at, and the video that I made earlier today is about this zone right here, right there. This freaking zone, right? I mean, I can I'm never going to be super exact on yeah on my zones. No one is, right? What you can only do is make sure you don't trade on ranges, right? Identify those no trading ranges and to just trade with the trend. In this case, this is very, very much bullish. So what I'm looking at here, hold on just a second, please. Yeah, what I'm looking at here is US dollar longs, more so because yesterday we had that's a massive rate hike, the biggest one in 28 years. And and let me show you what a no trade range looks like. So I already told you that I'm looking for longs, right? Now buying in at these levels has no edge, absolutely no edge, follows no strategy, and that is just not the way that I trade, right? Having said that, having said that, I am looking for places to go long. Now, I'm going to show you the hourly chart right here. So this is basically my no trade range, right? The 106 um, right here, the 105, no, 104.56 or so on the DXY and though in yesterday's highs around the 105.75. This entire range is non-tradable to me. I'm not gonna get in long in the middle of that range. Not gonna go, and I'm definitely not going short on a break to the downside, right? I trade with the trend. That's one of my rules. And yeah, it's very plausible that I mean, if you watch my US dollar video, I have two scenarios, right? Buying at the lows here or buying at the breakout here, right? Now, it's very plausible that I'm not gonna get one, I'm not, that I'm not gonna get either one, right? And that the USD will fall. But that doesn't mean that I'm going to start looking for shorts. That means that I'm going to start looking for the next key level to look for levels. Looks like the 103.90 is a good level, even higher right here. This looks like a nice level, the 104. So basically, if the US dollar breaks with that level, which seems to be doing because we already printed a new lower naked, we have more cheap sex than Tinder. What the fuck is that? Damn it. Those porn bots, right? All over YouTube. So basically, we printed a new daily low. We broke with yesterday's and Tuesday's lows, which is fine. We have this level right now to cover, and that means that we might get in on some gold buys too. Ooh, that's interesting. That's very interesting. I'm gonna go look for a setup to buy gold. Maybe I won't find one. Looks like I mean looks sketchy. Still looks good, although this could be a problem for my Nasdaq shorts. Could, could. I'm not saying it will be, but we have I mean, markets are going to open in 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds until the casino opens. Let's have a look at our Nasdaq rather than looking for another market to trade. Let's go into the 5 minute chart just to see the actual move at the open. Right, market just opened. I think. Is it? If not, I miscalculated the time again. Now it's 9:30 in New York. Right, so yeah, looks like a dumpy dumpo. But again, I need that zone to break in order to, because it really doesn't matter if price, opens and, bears jump in. It doesn't matter if I'm not going to go short here because that short has no edge in the sense that it doesn't matter that price is going down, right? It doesn't matter. Absolutely not, because who knows if sellers are going to be strong enough to swipe all the sell orders or all the buy orders that are in place here. Right? Who knows? Who knows? Plus, the open is super volatile. I might have to delete this sell order if price rallies and breaks with the previous high. I'm going to delete that order. That's why you know I use stop orders. Now let's have a look at gold. Yeah. Wow. We're seeing some buying action here on the Dow, some buying action on the S&P 500. That doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean anything at all. Let's put on a 50-minute chart. You know, that, my friends, is what I'm looking for. A great continuation. And I mean, if we look at technicals, let's just extrapolate this, clone it. Yeah, this is very flaggy. So we're good, man. We're still good. Yes, and also I could have put my sell stops below this low, but we have this big level here. Why would I do that? Plus, I really don't care about being the first on a trade. I care to being the most secure one. And if we extrapolate that the pull of the flag to the breakout zone. Well, we still have a ton of room to make money, right? So that if this plays out, who knows if it will play out, right? Let's have a look at gold. Gold, yeah, my idea. Let me show you the idea that I had on gold. 5 minute chart. Earlier today, I had a buy stop in gold that I deleted. You know, this was my idea. My targets were all the way up there. I didn't get filled and flow and price in gold just dipped, and I had to delete my order. So the idea that I had was the same. It stopped below this low. I'm sorry. I have a little bit of heartburn because of the coffee, or maybe this. But I'm not taking this gold long because we are in a range and have been ranging for the past two sessions. I need really, I need I need some direction. I'm not gonna trade a market if I had no way to think of please. Who's a good boy? My dog is here. So a little bit of selling pressure going on the Nasdaq. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna wait and see what happens in this market. Of course, that I need that breakout to, I need that zone to break out before I do anything. So, I mean, do you have any questions, guys? Because if you don't, I'm going to end the show right now. I have a ton of things to do. I, I have a ton of things to do, and yeah, nice breakout here. Uh-oh, we about to get triggered. Yeah, and if you want my trade management, you know what to do. You need to subscribe to the VIP group. If you want my full trade management. Have you ever tried this? This ginger tea is awesome. So, yeah, if you're not part of the VIP group, you're welcome for this free signal, but you're not going to get anything else from me if you want my trade management and all of my other signals, and getting these results. Then you know what to do. You know what to do. Subscribe with the link below, and if you use the code YouTube, you get 10% discount on your monthly subscription. Yeah, I am going to put you in timeout. Right. Okay, so yeah, so that's me. A quick live session. I'm not gonna wait around if you guys don't have any questions. That's a waste of my time. Yeah. Again, if you're part of the VIP group, you will hear back from me if I decide to close early or manage my trade accordingly. If not, thank you, and I'll see you guys next, no, next week, tomorrow. So cheers.